Well, welcome. I just wanted to introduce you to the inner healing work. Some people call it shadow work. But what I've noticed in some of the genres with the shadow work, they're surfacing some things, but they're not really pulling it out of your body. I wanted to make that clarification. This one, you are invited to step into your holy garments of purity, right? To clean out. So how do you do it? This workbook is going to work with your inner child. So I work with the chakra systems. And this first question is so important because it's not just the, what do we think about abandonment? What was your experience? I help you energy trace it all the way back and go through the patterning in your life to get to the root. Because as you're discovering, things keep repeating over and over to get you the lesson, right? So let's grab the pattern. Let's find the root source and grab it right there and take it out of us, right? So we're asking to make visible something invisible, which is our thoughts, our memories. And that's why journaling it out and looking at it is so very important because that's your root experience here. And then to get your power back, to light up, we want to look at all of the lessons that you're learning. What did it teach you? We're going to talk about how to design that icon image. How do you design what that first experience of abandonment really looks like? And I'm going to work you through the system, and then I'm going to teach you the art of transmutation, taking the dark teacher, like bitterness, and flip it over to joy. And you can't quite make that flip until you get all your lessons out from bitterness. Otherwise, you're going to be over and over like a little rat wheel, like we all have been, right? Don't you want to stop that? Hello? So then to how to appreciate joy through the bitterness that you experienced. And then how to anchor your mind. What are the sacred texts? What do you want to think new? Not, oh, that's bad. No, how do you want to anchor yourself with bitterness, the truth about that, and joy? And then how do you design it? This is really important to work through. There are 40 of them, 40 days of transmutation.